Hi, I'm Vilshai. Welcome back to our course. On this video, we shall learn how to use normal access filtering. Let's open up resource folder again and Excel sample. Then move over to HR. Here we have some data kept on database format already. Now I'm gonna make simple table on Access by just copy it. Select all, then Ctrl C to copy. Minimize Excel down. For demo, I already prepare one blank Access file like this. Just open it up. Now paste what we copy from Excel on here. Access view inform us that the first row of your data contain column heading. Click yes to agree with that because I already copied the heading too. Next, Access will inform that all objects were imported successfully. Then click OK and we got new table in such a simple way like this. If we open it up, you can see that all data exactly the same as what we have on Excel. Now let's see how we can filter data on Access. Suppose I would like to filter for the legal admin position. I just find out where legal admin is and then right click here, select equal legal admin, and that's all. You can see that it's quite convenient than what we do on Excel, where we have to highlight the column header first, then go to data and filter and try to find out what legal admin is and click OK. Compared to what we do on Excel, it's totally different. Now I will remove filter out. So let's see what else we have from right click. Once we right click on any fields, that means we're going to filter on those fields. First, let me add up one ID column here on this table so that we can maintain the original sequence as is. I right click here on this tab, move on the side view, right click here on the first row, then choose insert row and add another field of HID with data type as auto number and right click to assign primary key on it to make it unique. Now right click on here again and back to datasheet view. Excel view asks us to save table first, then click yes to save it. And here it is. It got an ID number which running sequence according to original data that we got from Excel. Now let's see what pop-up menu option we can use on right click. The first one is sorting by A to C and next is C to A. That means this one is ascending and this one is descending. Suppose I put here on salary and I sort by descending C to A. You can find the highest salary record is Stefan like this. And if I sort by ascending of A to C, you can find that Harold is the lowest level of salary. Now let's sort back to its original sequence by right click here and sort by A to C. So you already learned two options of right click. The next one I show you from the beginning is right click for equal to. If I address on financial, equal to will show financial. If I address on engineering, this equal to option will be engineering. Now I will select equal finance and that means we got all financial record here. Now I would like to check that isn't it true that all of them is financial? Then maybe I can right click here and select this not equal financial. If all gone, that means our filter is correct. Another case maybe I can use like this. I don't want to see all bachelor. Then I just right click here and does not equal bachelor. So all remaining will not have bachelor except the one with long spelling like this. So you have four options already. The first one is sorting A to C ascending and C to A descending. And the next one is equal and not equal. There's still one option left Normally we use only 5 options of sorting filter equal and does not equal. For the other, you have no need to concern about that. We normally never use it. Okay, let's see how filter work. If we right click on text fields, this filter will be text filter. If we right click on number data type, option will be number filter. While we right click on date data type, option will be date filter instead. So filter will depend on data type of such field. For text it is text filter, for number it is number filter, and for date it is date filter. And the submenu that we're going to use is difference between 3 of them. For text filter, if I right click here and select text filter, the only submenu that we will use is contain. Contain is similar to like function. That means we can type only parts of word like ACC. That's all. We don't know what character is in front of it and what character is behind. So we just know that what we're going to find out is contain ACC. That's all. Then click OK. Here it is. We got both account and finance officer. Now just text filter out and let's see how number filter work. I just right click on number field, then select number filter. The only submenu that we normally use is less than and greater than. For the other command, you have no need to concern about it because actually we never use it. Now I choose greater than 3000 and right click here to sort ascending from A to C. You can see that there is nothing under 3000 because we filter for the amount over 3000 or greater than 3000. Just take the filter out. Coming to date field, right click, select date filter. On here you can forget all menu except between because we will use only between function. Now I will put 1st of January 1960 to 31st 1970 or 31st of December. For the format of month and date, it depends on your original setting on control panel. It's not concerned to access date function at all. So you want date before or month before, you have to change it on original setting at control panel. Now I click OK and here we got it. Let's check by sort ascending. You can see nothing less than 1960. And again sort by descending. You can see also that nothing beyond 1970. And that's all for access normal filtering. Only 5 options that we always use. The first one is sorting ascending A to C, and the next one sorting descending from C to A, then filter which vary between each data type, and the last 2 is equal and does not equal. While for text filter we need only contain. Number filter we need only less than and greater than, and date filter we need only between. That's all for normal filtering. And the last thing I will show you on this video is how to do sequence sort. Suppose I would like to sort department, then position and education, and final with salary. Department is still remain here. For position I will put the cursor right here at the column head until you can observe that the cursor become down arrow like this. Then click 1 time for select. You have to click 1 time for select first and drag it afterward. You cannot just drag like this, otherwise it will be selection instead of moving. Okay, now let's move over to education. Drag it to follow the position and final with salary. Okay, last step. I'm gonna sort it under sequence format like this from department to position, education and salary. Then I highlight all on the header of each column and right click on column header, then sort ascending like this. Excel will start sort from department, then position on each department, and next with education of each position and salary of each education. And that's all for the sequence sort. Now if you want to sort back to its original format, just move cursor here, right click and sort ascending. And that's all for this lecture. Bye.